All right, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning. We've got a weaker Dow going on this morning. Midi Dow's down 130. We are expecting a possible down day today, so we're going to watch for that. I did add a few more things here that we'll watch this morning, so let's just start off, continue to watch RTY, the mini Russell. Small ES for the mini S&P, gold GC. NG is going to be our natural gas stock. Is going to be Tesla. Continue to watch Bitcoin. And I've added in the Aussie US, Euro US, and the US yen. We'll be doing some scalping on the currencies. Right now we're having a nice little push down on the yen here, so I see if we can take advantage of that a little bit. I don't see anything in here right now, so we're going to let that go. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we do have a buy actually in Tesla right now and Bitcoin. So we do have a buy in Tesla and Bitcoin. And let's see, target on Tesla is going to bring me up to the 120.27 to 127.30. So it looks like Tesla's in a buy to come back up. Let's see, Bitcoin. Bitcoin I could see coming up to the 173.10. I'm going to mark that 173.10 is going to be my profit target on Bitcoin. We're writing basically a pairing pattern to the upside on Bitcoin. Pairing pattern is name of one of our patterns. We'll be looking at about 4 or 5 different patterns this morning. So we've got this buying in Bitcoin. Watching if I need the reverse, be about 170, 160 on Bitcoin. Let's just mark that 170, 160. Try this again. 170, 160. There we go. And Tesla with our long, we want to, I'd get out and reverse down here at around the 117.30. And give it a little bit, let's give it down to 117.27. All right, so we got to buy on Bitcoin. Got to buy on Bitcoin, got to buy on Tesla. All right, so Tesla just hit its profit target. Profit target hit. Took a little while to trigger. Bitcoin, 173.10, getting close. 173.10 is going to be my target on Bitcoin. All right, got a buy coming in on the E-mini, on the ES.
Target hit.
All right, we hit target on Bitcoin. Have a buy on the E-mini S&P. Put me a target up on this E-mini S&P. I'm going to look at, let's look at 39.16. 39.16. We'll hold this one reversal. It's come down to this 38.97. 38.97. This is just a pairing pattern buy on the E-mini S&P. Target, once again, 39.16. $39.16 is my target on the small E-mini. All right, so Tesla's already hit its target this morning. Looks like Bitcoin's already hit its target this morning. Long the E-mini S&P target of 39.16. All right, let's look at any possible news. Yeah, we do have the Fed chair speaking right now, so you could see anything happen. So watch out. You could just see some really quick volatility pop in here, as we're kind of seeing over here on these currencies. So yen's going to push down even further. Possible target down here on this yen at 31.65. Gonna watch possible hitting this target 31.65. So I'm looking possible take out this low right over here. 31.65 is gonna be a target. Gonna watch that on the downside. All right, the only thing we have in right now is this long on the ES. All the indices are down right now. Dow's down 61. All the indices are down a little bit. Not much down on this small Dow. E-mini. Let's see. The small Dow's down a little bit. The S&P do have a buy on the ES though. All right, so far just gonna be pretty quiet. Yeah, you want to check out Microsoft? I can check out Microsoft real quick here. Let's see what Microsoft looks like. Glenn is asking if I look at Microsoft. Man, Microsoft's just going up. I don't see anything in here. I don't see any selling opportunities. So right now it looks pretty strong. How high could it go? Let's see. I mean, we've already gone several levels up, but possibly up to 230.10, 230.10. I could see coming up to 230.10, even as high as 230.60, somewhere in that area. So it looks good. I mean, Microsoft looks strong this morning. I don't see any selling opportunities. I don't see any pullbacks. I can see it coming as high as 230.10. Did get close. Looking at a 5 minutes, you've got this double arrow. If that double arrow or the double caret holds, that'd just be another indication, another 5 minutes on the upside. So that's a possibility. You had a little double caret down over here for a possibility of a 5 minute down, and you did get that 5 minute down bar right here. So, oh no, you did not get a double caret, but usually when it's close like that, chances are we're gonna be going up over the next 5 minutes. All right. So that is that. there's any other stock anybody wants me to take a look at, when it's quiet in the morning, it's easy to do that before the opening bell, so I can certainly do that. But everything, despite the E-mini being down a little bit, most of these stocks look pretty strong here. Gold's up. That usually indicates the market's going to be up. We've got Bitcoin is up. You're welcome, sir. All right, just hanging on here on the small E-mini. All right, still riding this long on the ES. Looking for a 39.16. Pretty quiet. We have about another. What do we have here? 8 minutes to go or so. $13 minutes. Alright, so far it looks like we're going to get pretty quiet opening. Wouldn't be surprised now to actually see it open up higher. We're only down 30 right now. Over the last 15 minutes, it's come up about 100 points. All right, just real quiet now. We're going to sit back and wait here. Still writing the small mini. I'm sorry, the small ES on the long side. Still looking for my 39.16 target. Yeah, we do have earnings, right? We got another round of earnings coming up. Wow, I'd be surprised if they were up. I would expect them to be down, but I could be wrong. I don't think it's going to be a good earnings reports. But one of the nice things about what we do is, it puts in volatility in the market, but overall we like that volatility. What we do is we're very short-term traders. We trade off of patterns. So we're really not too concerned about that kind of information. Our belief is everything is reflected in price. And we thrive on volatility, which provides us with momentum. So I welcome the volatility. I like to get some more volatility in here. All right, so we're just hanging tight here. Still really quiet. Small Dow's up, small Dow's down 55. All the indices are down a little bit. About another 7, 8 minutes to go here before the opening bell. All right, looks like we have a nice little selling opportunity over here on the yen. Let's take a look at the yen. I want to look at that yen real quick. I do like this 01 short on the yen. 132.01. I like to watch that for a possible short. $132.01, possible short, watching the yen. All right, I don't want to jump in on that 01 right now. All right, short of 132.01. Now, once again, for my charting, I use Thinkorswim. But for my the exchange I'm trading on I am trading on Nadex. So you don't have to trade on Nadex. You can trade on any exchange you'd like. Depending on what you like to trade, whether it be commodities. Some people just want to trade The currencies, Forex, which I like. I do a lot of really short-term trading on Forex. I got a 132.01. Let's see. I have a 132.01 short right now on the U.S. yen. Looking for the U.S. yen to come down a little bit more here. Get a little pop down. I'm going to go ahead and we'll take profit on that 132.01. All right, about another 3 minutes to go here before the opening bell. All right, so I'm starting to break down the yen. I'm going to get ready to pull on my profits here. About 3 minutes to go before the opening bell. All right, we're at 131.93 on the indicative. I'm going to go ahead and pull, sold the 132.01. All right, we're about a minute and a half out before the opening bell. All right, I am now getting out of my short U.S. yen. Picked up about $40 on that short U.S. yen. Colin still on the ES long. E-mini trying to hit a target of 39.16. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be scalping on the currencies down here, the Aussie, the Euro, and the US yen. Everything else we're going to be seeing if we can hit targets. We're going to once we put on a trade, we will either hit a target and a reversal point. Right now, the only thing I am is coming in long, and we're going to be opening here in about 30 seconds here. All right, we have the Dow down 30 right now. Let's see what's going to happen here. Down 26, down 25. Down 8, probably going to go green. Still running up on the E-minis, trying to hit this 39.16 target. And we may hit it here pretty quick. All right, we have the Dow slightly green up 4. E-minis coming up, down 15, down 12 now.
Profit target hit.
All right, so we did hit our target on the E-mini S&P. Exit that trade. All right, we're really starting to take off now. Going green, obviously, on the Dow E-mini. So let's watch. Currencies, we're going to see this yen probably continue to go lower. Got a really nice buy pattern setting up on the Aussie US. Let's look at the Aussie US. Alright, I'm going to want to buy a 99 in here. So on the Aussie US, going to buy a 68.99. Watching for a pop up on the Aussie US. This is what we call an HF1 buy, one of my stronger patterns. Target, I could see the Aussie coming up to the 69.06. Make that 0.2. All right. All right, made a little bit on that Aussie, out of the Aussie US. All right, so we're still hanging on to get out of that. We already took profits on that. All right, I'm flat. I don't have anything on right now. Nothing on Tesla. Tesla looks like it wants to go higher. Next level up on Tesla. I could see Tesla coming up to the 123, about the 123.30. somewhere in that area. So it looks like we're going to continue to rise here in Tesla, at least up to the 123.30. All right, we're flat, waiting for our next setup here. Don't see anything here I like. All right, I am getting a buy on RTY. It's going to be a bit longer play. I'm going to project this out a little bit further. Get some levels here. All right, I can see RTY coming up to 1819. So I want to go ahead. I want to mark that 1819. And from there, my next level up is going to put me up to the 1855. All right. You can see those levels. All right, I can see RTY coming up first. First level is going to be up here around that 1820. So 1819, 1820. So we'll see if we can hit that. A little bit longer play. So we'll probably have to hold on to this for a while. Got the Dow. Come on, refresh. Dow still up 60. E-mini up 50. All the indices are up. All right, let's keep an eye on gold here. I get triggered short on this gold, HF3 short at 1879. So I'm going to watch 1879. HF3 is one of our patterns. Once again, we have an HF1, 2, and 3. HF3, possible short at 1879 on the gold. All right, really the only thing I have right now is I'm long this, I am long the RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell, but that's going to be a much longer play. I like to get it up to around 1860. Probably have to hold on to that for a while. Anyway, that's the only thing I have in play right now. Just got one long on, and let's see. I will sell gold if it comes down to this 1879. We are getting one of those double carrot shorts. Just like we had over here, we had this double carrot short. In the case, these are 5-minute charts. The next bar is going to be an up bar. If we hold on these double carrots here, that would be maybe another 5 minutes on the downside. Getting a short on the E-mini S&P right now. So getting a short on the E-mini S&P. Yeah, let's get a target on this E-mini S&P. Target's going to bring us down to 3903 and a half. And I would hold, this is an HF3 short. I'll hold unless we come up to the 39.22.25. So I'm in a longer term, a little bit longer term play here on RTY. Short on a E-mini S&P. Nice little hedge against that. Nothing triggered yet on gold yet. Watching this double carrot could be indication of further down movement over here on the gold. All right, let's see if this gold doesn't start to push down a little bit here. Do have that double carrot short. Alright, so I am long a mini Russell. Still long the mini Russell. And short on the E-mini S&P. A little bit longer play on the Russell. More likely get triggered out on the ES first and or reverse. Nothing on gold yet. Watching Bitcoin for a possible pullback. Let's see here. I can see Bitcoin coming down to, well, if it comes down to 172.60, I believe that would be a selling opportunity just for a quick little scalp. That would set me up for an HF3 short. If you'd like to know more about and learn more about my trading approach, what I've used over the last 35 years of my career, go to my YouTube channel. There's some really good videos out there. Talks a little bit about the strategies I'm using this morning. I'm using what I call Einstein in combination with my core setups, which are my behavioral patterns. And that can be found on my YouTube channel. I believe it should be the first video that plays for you. So it's an intro into my trading approach. Also, you can visit my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com, for additional information, and or if you'd like to get a hold of me and ask me questions. I do answer all my emails, so if you do have specific questions, you can contact me there. Watching Bitcoin, possible short coming up on Bitcoin, may get triggered. All right, we're still short the ES, longer term play going on the mini Russell. I want to get out at 39.03.5 on this E-mini. Still nothing on gold. We're riding that still have that double carriage short for this 5-minute bar. All right, so Dow's up. So it's going to pushing our ES higher. Helping my RTY, which is the mini Russell. I will like that buy if we do come up to 39.22.5. That would set me up for what I call an HF1 buy. One of my stronger patterns. I will reverse at 39.22.5. Nothing on gold.
Reverse buy.
Okay, so we are reversing on the ES, so I like this buy. I'm going long on the ES. Adding. Still long on the mini Russell. All right, so it's nothing going on in gold. Bitcoin. Nothing on Bitcoin. I could see Bitcoin coming down a little bit in here, but let's see here. My target on Bitcoin would bring me down to... This is the HF3 short on Bitcoin. Bring me down to 172.10. But you would have a strong reversal. We get all the way up here to 173.60. So let's watch that. 173.60. But right now, Bitcoin actually is in a short with a target of 172.10. Long RTY, which is the mini Russell, reversed, went long now on the E-mini S&P. Don't see anything over here on gold. Not seeing anything yet in the currencies. Nothing there. I do actually see a little bit further down over here on the yen. Let's take a look at yen real quick. Nothing quite yet on the yen, but looks like she may want to pull a little bit lower here. All right, so we're just hanging on to these indices. All right, so we are already at the top of the hour, so that's going to end it for the live broadcast this morning. We'll continue on in our live trading room with our subscribers. For additional information, once again, please go to my YouTube channel, innovativetradingstrategies.com. There are links below the video if you would like further information. And that is going to wrap it up. We will be back again first thing tomorrow morning. Everybody have a good trading day. We'll see you then.